Hi friends, welcome to Tutors Funny channel. Today I am going to teach how to make the movie ticket booking system using Java and MySQL. Now I have already opened the NetBeans ID here. First what I am going to do is here, go to the file, new project. I am going to select Java application, click next. If it is check create main task, you uncheck it. Here I am going to give the project name as movie ticket, right? Movie ticket, right? Here we have to click finish. Right now here first what I am going to do is here, after create the project is created successfully with the name of movie ticket. Our project folder consists of two major folders, source package and libraries. First click on the source package folder here. Here there will be the default package is there. Now I am going to select the source package. I am going to create the new package. So right click new Java package. Here I am going to create as package as movie ticket. Click finish. Right now my new package has been created successfully, movie ticket. Select the package, right click new. I am going to create the JFrame form. Here this one I am going to create as movie ticket. Class, right? Now my new form has been created successfully. Now I am going to increase the size of the form little bit. First I am going to create the heading here. So first go to the palette, drag one panel on the form. Here this will be the header. So what I am going to select this one, right click, properties, background. I am going to change it as a background color. I am going to change it this color or this. I am going to change this color. Click OK. Close. After that, what I am going to drag one label here. This label, right click, edit. Here you have to write movie ticket booking. Right. Now here first what I am going to select this one. Right click, properties. Here we have the font property, select this one with bold, but increase the font size as 36, click OK. Right, here we have to select this right here. Right. Select this one now, the label, right click, properties. Here I am going to, the foreground color I am going to change it as a white, click OK, close it. Right, perfect. Now first what I am going to do is here, select the form, right click, properties, code. You have to select this one, generate center, close it. Right. Now let's run and check how it's work. Here when you run the application will be run at the center of the screen, right? Right. So after that what I am going to do is here, I am going to design the remaining stuff. First what I am going to say, go to the palette, drag one panel here. This one should be our ticket, right? Ticketing system, right here. Select this panel, right click, properties, border property, select soft bevel border. Right. Now here we have to add the ticket types, right? So go to the palette, drag the checkboxes. I am going to drag the checkboxes here. I need 4 checkboxes. Sorry, not combo box, checkbox. Right, perfect. Now let's align it correctly here. Perfect. Here I need the price here, the quantity. Select the quantity here. This one you have to drag the snippet tool. You will be able to select the quantity here. So you have to select the snippet tool here. Right? Very simple. Right. Now what I am going to do is here I am going to change the name. So select this checkbox, edit text, and change this one as a ticket type ODC. Right. Second one, balcony. Select this one. Here we have right balcony. Third one here, select this one. Sorry, select this one. Right click, edit text, box. Select this one, edit text. Here we have to write here ODC balcony. We have to write super balcony. Right. These are the ticket types available. Here how many tickets we need, we can easily select here. Right. Now after that what I am going to do is here we have to drag one table, J table. So here we have to calculate the total. So we have to go to the palette, we have to drag the J table here. Right, perfect. This one perfect. Now what I am going to do is here we have to drag one two buttons. So here we have to get two buttons, 1, 2. Right. This one should be add. This one should be invoice, right? This one should be invoice, right? Print invoice, print invoice. Right. Right. This one should be add. There are two tables, right? Perfect. After that here, this one we have to calculate the total, subtotal here. So we have to drag the labels. This one should be subtotal. Right. Here we have to drag one text field here. Right. After the same thing, you have to get it. Another thing is go to here, drag another label. This one should be the balance, not payment. Here also drag one text field. Right. Okay, perfect. Now finally we need one thing is here balance, right? So we have to drag another label here. This one should be balance. Right. Perfect. Right. Now let's run and check. Right, it's working fine. Right. Now here what I am going to do is here I am going to change the name of the things. Right. First I am going to select this text box. Right click, edit text, backspace to remove the existing text. Select this one. Right click, edit text, backspace to remove. Select this one. Right click, edit text, backspace to remove. Right. Now first what I am going to do is go to the select this ODC. Here we have to change the name here CHK1. This one should be checkbox 1, CHK1, checkbox 1, this one. Second one, select CHK2, checkbox 2. This one CHK3, checkbox 3. This one CHK4, checkbox 4. These are the names we have changed successfully. This one quantity we have changed it here. This one should be ODC, right? So we have tried here is we just give us ODC. We have to create TXT ODC. This one TXT BAL. This all are the quantity. We have to change the name like this. This one should be TXT box. This one we have to change it as TXT super balcony, S balcony, B balcony, super balcony, TXT super balcony. This one should be the TXT balcony. Right. We successfully changed the name of the fields. Right. Now here we have to change this one as a TXT subtotal. This one we have to change it as a TXT pay, txt pay, this one txt balance, so BA. Right, that's it. We changed successfully everything. Now here select this JTable, go to the table contents, rows, we have to remove the default rows, select and remove it, select and remove, select and remove it. Here go to the columns, we have to change the titles. First title should be seat type, right, seat type. This one should be balcony or ODCO, box or super balcony, you have to change. This one should be price, quantity, total. Right, perfect. Close it. Okay. Now we successfully made the design and we have to rename it successfully here. Now I am going to do the validation part. So select the ticket type and click add button. The details should be added into the data JTable here in order to calculate the subtotal. So select the add button, right click, event action, action perform. First what I am going to do is here, go here. We have to go to this all the form design. So we don't need this one, it automatically generated in NetBeans. We have to, if you click this one, it is generated like this. You have to switch off, like if you click on this one, it's switch off, right? After the constructor of the class, we have right here is here we have right here is default table. So default table model equal new default table model, control C to copy, control V to paste. Right. Here we have to import the namespace. Import for Java string, this is the namespace we have imported. It generated here. Right. After that, what I am going to do is here, go to the button, this button, add button, this same button. You can go like this, right? Action perform. Right. Now here first I am going to do the validation part. This very must. So first we have to write here is we have to write declare the variable int sum equal 0. Right. First we have to check the condition. If the user check this checkbox and how many ticket we need, it added into the table. So what is the name of this one? This easily you are checked, right click, change variable, this is the name. So let's go here, you have to write if, you have to write the condition. So we have to write the condition if CHK1 mean checkbox 1 dot is selected. What is it? Is selected, right. You have to write here string, this one should be ODC, this ticket type is ODC CHK1 dot getText. Right, perfect. After that we have to write here is second one should be price. So we have to write the price variable here, int price. Right. So here you have to get the price here. Price equal, you have to write here is, right, this is a price. Okay. We just give the price as 300. Right, 300 price ODC. So right. After that you have to write as a third one should be the quantity. Quantity, what's the name of this one? Quantity. Right click, txt ODC. So we have to write here is int quantity. Otherwise you can write here in quantity. Right, in quantity you have to write here is you have to equal into the relevant variable. So you have to write integer dot pass int you have to write here is txt ODC dot getText. So sorry, get value dot toString. Dot toString. What's the that quantity you have to here, you have to this one, you have to move it. Right. Perfect. After that you have to write here is what the quantity you have selected is stored in this variable. After that you have to calculate the total. So you have to write simply, you have to calculate the total. You look like this, you have to calculate total variable, you have to declare here. So you have to write tot equal, so write here tot equal price multiply by quantity. The price is 300, quantity what you are selecting, it is assigned to this variable. You have to pass in this variable. This should be calculated and put into tot variable, right? This is the thing, this is how we have to calculate it, right? After that, what I am going to do is here, we have to write the table model. So we have to create a model above here. You have to get it here, model. You have to write model, model equal, you have to write default table model, default table model, j table 1 dot get model, right? Now here we have to write model dot add row new object open and close bracket, get it here. Right. Now here we have to write here, first one should be the ODC, this one, Control C to copy, Control V to paste here, comma, second one should be price, Control C to copy, Control V to paste here, third one should be quantity, Control C to copy, Control V to paste here, fourth one should be tot, Control C to copy, Control V to paste here. Right. These are things we have to enter here. Right. These are things we have to enter here. Right. Now let's check whether it's working fine or not. Right. Click, select the quantity, click add button here, ODC here. It's added successfully. Right. J table 1 mean this is the table name of J table 1. So here we have to add the J table model. Right, this is how we have to add the remaining stuff as well. Everything you don't need to put here, don't put else if, all things are if, right? Control C to copy the same thing, Control V to paste below. This one checkbox 2 mean balcony, so you have to write this one should be the balcony. So you have to write balcony. This one should be 2. Right. Here also txt balcony. This what is the thing. Right click, change variable, this one. Control C to copy, Control V to paste here. Right. The same thing, right? After that, here this one should be the balcony. So Control C to copy, Control V to paste here. Ticket I am going to change this one as a 350. Right. Balcony. This quantity here, store here. This all the stuff are same. Right. Here also the all the string variable also you have to change the name. Other stuff are same. But here you have to change the name of the quantity txt balcony. Here I am going to change this one, right? The same thing. The same thing here, Control C to copy, Control V to paste here. Third one should be, third checkbox should be box. So you have to change here as box. Here also txt box. Here also Control C to copy this box variable, Control V to paste here. Perfect. Finally you have to copy this one. Control C to copy, Control V to paste below. Here you have chk4. This one also chk4. This one should be super balcony. This one. In variable is chk4. Sorry, this was not here. So this one. Control C to copy. The same name you have to put it here. Select it. Control V to paste here. Right. That's it. Super balcony. Here we have to change this one 400. So to change super balcony, we have to increase the price as 500. Alright, perfect. Other stuff are same. This one you have to change the super balcony. Super balcony. This Control C to copy, Control V to paste here. Right, perfect. This is how it's work. Now let's check. Have a check how it's work. Right. Select here quantity 1, right. Okay, it's selected successful. Now here I am going to select everything here. I am going to order for the family, so here we have to how many things, 2, balcony 1 needed, so click add button, here it's added. It's perfect, right? Okay. This is how you added. I need to calculate the subtotal as well. How to calculate the subtotal? We'll see how to calculate the subtotal, right? So it's very easy stuff to do, creating the subtotal. So how to do the stuff is subtotal. After this if checkbox for if it is starting position, closing position. After this you have write here is a for loop. You have write the for loop for initial value I equals 0. After that condition, so here I less than j table 1 dot get row count here I plus plus, right. Here how to do the task is I already declared a variable above sum, get the variable here sum equal sum plus, here we have to write integer dot parse int, here we have to write j table 1 dot get value at I. What is the position? You have to calculate the values. The position means this is called as j table. J table starting position will be 0. This one should be 0 position, first position, second position, third position. So I am going to calculate the column as third position. For this total, all the total should be I am calculating, right? So third position you have to select, right? After that, what I am going to do is dot toString. You have to convert them as a toString method, right? Finally, you have to write subtotal. All the stuff are calculated and display the final total at the subtotal text box. So how to calculate is you have to write here txt sub dot set text. You have to write here is integer dot parse int. Here we have to write sum. That's it. You have to write sum in this sum. So sorry, you have to write a not parse int. You have to write string. You have to get the value of. You have to convert it into string, right? String value. Right. This is the stuff we have to do. Let's check whether it's working fine or not now. Right. Click here. It's working fine. Right? It's working perfect. Right? Now you have to order another 2 balcony. Here it's working fine. Right? So here we only order for one time. Right? Second time added this existing record also added. You have to add first this one, second the first one balcony here. It's calculated and displayed here. Perfect. Right. Now what I am going to see after that, I am going to do this thing is I am going to go to the print invoice, right? Here pay the bill, pay the amount, balance should be displayed here, and click print invoice. The nice invoice report should be displayed here, right? It is a Jasper reporting, right? We have to add the Jasper reporting. Before do the task, we have to save the record into the database. So let's go to the database. Now here we have to type localhost phmyadmin. I already installed XAMPP server in my machine. If you are not installed XAMPP server, you must install the XAMPP server. Now here first what I am going to do is here I am going to go to create the database. So click new. Database name I am going to give as movie ticket. Create. Right. Database has been created successfully, movie ticket. Now here first column I am going to create as first table, sales table, right? Sales table consists of only 4 columns, right? Click OK. Here first one should be the ID, int length 11. This one should be primary. This one auto number generation. Second one should be subtotal. This one should be subtotal. After that pay, after that balance, right, click finish, right. After that, what I am going to do is here, select this database again. I am going to create another table, that is a sales product table, right? Sales product table. We have to create the sales product table. Sales product consists of 6 columns. Click go. First one should be the ID, sales product ID, 11 length, primary with auto increment. After that, here we have provided here is sales ID 11. After that, this one ticket type, we have selected sheet type or ticket type. Let's this ticket type, right, ticket type balcony or box. Here we have tried voucher. After that, third one should be quantity 11, price 11, final one should be the total 11. These are the columns we need to create on sales product table, right? After done this, we have to save all, right? We successfully create the table of sales product and sales table. After done the stuff, back to our project. Here, first what I am going to do is here this print invoice button. So right click this one, event action from home. Here first I am going to create one method first. Okay, here simply you have to write above public void sales. Simply you have to create the sales method, right? Instead of the button event, we have to write it. We have to write the separate function here. We have to do the stuff here. So first what I am going to do is here, we have to establish the database connection first, right? That's very important stuff. Do the stuff, right? So here first what I am going to do is here, we have to write here says database connection. So we have to go here above. Here first you have to write the database connection. So we have to write connection object con. After the prepared statement PST1. We need 2 prepare statement. So we have to write another prepare statement. So same prepare statement you have to get a copy. Control C to copy. Control V to paste. This one should be 2. Right? 2 prepare statement. We need to create. Right. Here we have to this one. We have to import the namespace. Import for Java SQL connection. You have to import. Second one also Java SQL connection. Right. Only you have to import this one. Java SQL. Right. Okay. Perfect. Now here first what I am going to do is here. After that, first we have to equal into this variable into the relevant this is a sales table. We have to store the values total, pay and balance. So we have to equal into this text box name into the relevant variable. So here first you have to write string variable string subtotal. Here I am going to give the data type as string as I am not going to calculate any validation part, just going to save the data into the database. So I just write here is string. So you have to write txt sub dot get text. After that your section one should be string subtotal. After that you have to write pay equal txt pay dot get text dot what is the text txt tp. That's okay. Addition and right. Okay. txt dot get text. After that string dot equal txt dot txt dot txt this one should be sorry txt balance bl dot get text. Right, this is the thing we have to do. Okay, perfect. After that what I am going to do is here I am going to write here is we have to register driver. So MySQL driver we have to register. So we have to download the MySQL driver here. So okay, if we have to download the MySQL driver and we have to establish the connection between MySQL and Java, right? So how to download MySQL driver here? You have to go to the Google and type MySQL connector for Java, right? This is the first link. You will be able to download the driver. Click on this link. Right here, this is the link you have to download it. Here, come down here, platform independent, this one, MySQL connector Java C. Click on this button on the right side. It goes to the different website for downloaded. Here you don't need to log in or sign up. You just click no thanks, just start my download. If you click on this one link, your download has been started for download. I no need to download. I already download this one. So right click and cancel it here. You must download this one. I download and put into one drive, E drive. Here I am going to, after downloaded, it's come as a zip format. So here after extract that one, it is come as a normal folder, look like this here, right? These two essential files you have to import into the NetBeans library. So you have to access the MySQL, right? So how to import this? Go to the project. Here this is the source package. This folder is source package. We have another folder, libraries, right? Inside this libraries, we have to import the MySQL driver. Okay. So select the library, right click, add jar folder. This is two files. Okay. So we have to go E drive, MySQL. Your search MySQL. So here, MySQL. Double click and open it. Right, this one. Or down the control key down one, select both, click open. It's generated successfully here, right? Bin and these two jar files downloaded successfully here. Here it's imported successfully. You can see here, right? After that, what I'm going to, you will be able to register the driver here. So how to register is, you write class dot for name. Here you have to write register com dot MySQL dot jdbc dot driver. You have to write like this. Okay. Here this is not error. This is in NetBeans. It's automatically generate the try and catch too. Here, click on this one. Surrounding the statement with try catch. If you click on this, it's NetBeans generated automatically try with catch. Right? After that, what I am going to do is here, I already created the object of connection objects above. It's already created the connection object above. Here, this connection object, I get it here. So you have to write here is con equal driver manager dot driver manager get connection. Here we have to write here is JDBC. Right here JDBC colon MySQL. You have to write here is MySQL colon. Here we have to provide the path of the database where your database is located. Your database is located on localhost, right? This is the localhost server, right? Localhost. Your database name, which name is movie ticket. So you have to give here is your database is reside on localhost. So JDBC MySQL. You have to write this localhost. Localhost. What's the database name? Movie ticket. Movie ticket. You have to get a movie ticket. You have to specify the database name correctly here. What is the name you are given? Movie ticket, right? If we are not given wrongly, it's not. It won't connect, right? Okay. So make sure, right? Comma. When you install the exam server in your machine, the default username will be root. Default password will be blank, right? So here root is a username, password will be blank, right? This is how you have to write. Okay, perfect. This is not error. You just it is asking to import the catch exception. Go here, add catch. It is the exception will be automatically coming here. Perfect. After that, we have to write the query for here. String query equal, you have to write insert into, you have to write insert into, you have to write first table. What is the table? Sales table. I am going to insert the record. What are the fields available? You have to see here. Go to sales table. Subtotal pay balance. You have to write here. The ID should be auto increment. No need to write here. Subtotal pay balance. Values. This is a prepare statement. We have a 3 question mark. Right. Perfect. After that, what I am going to do is here. After done this one, we have to write here is a PST equal, you have to write con dot prepare statement. Here you have to write prepare statement, you have to write here is a, first you have to write query, this query, control C, copy, control V to paste here, comma, you have to write statement dot return generate keys. This is the thing you have to write, generate keys, right? Here we have to, what is the thing is here, PST1, not PST1. This one should be PST1. The past statement you have to create as PS1. That's why the right PS1. Right. Perfect. Here generate keys. After that, what I am going to do is here I am going to enter the last inside. That's why I am going to create as generate keys. Here first we have to write PS1 dot. You have to write here is set string 1. First one should be subtotal. First one should be the subtotal. So you have to write here this one. Control C, copy, Control V to paste here. Subtotal. Same thing, Control C, copy, Control V to paste. Second one should be pay, Control C, copy, Control V to paste here. Third one should be total. So here Control C, copy, Control V to paste here. This one should be total. Control C, copy, Control V to paste here. Total. Right. These are the values we are going to add into the database table, right? After that, what I am going to do is here, you have to write here is, you have to write here PS1, you have to write PS1, you have to write dot execute update. You have to write execute update. Right, execute update, you have to write execute update. After that, you have to write result set rs, you have to get object rs, you have to write equal, you have to write ps1 dot get generate keys. Here you have to write here if rs dot next, right? Here you have to import the namespace. Result set, you have to make it S. It's a case sensitive in Java, right? Dot, here you have to write result set, right? Okay. So you have to write dot next. Here you have to write here is last insert ID. You have to create last insert ID here. So you have to write here last insert ID int last ID equal 0. Here you have to write get that variable here. Last ID equal, you have to write the last int rs dot get int 1, right? Last insert ID. After add the record, last insert ID should be created, and here it's assigned into this variable, right? After that, what I am going to do, I am going to store the value into this table, JTable values, right? It's JTable values we are going to store here. JTable values, this table, what are the value, what are the data added in this table, we have to store in the JTable database. So you have to write here is int rows equal JTable1 dot get row count. Here we have to write string query1 equal, here we have to write insert into which table you are going to store the record, sales product table, right? So sales product table. Stable sales product table you have to say. Sales ID, ticket ID, right, all the stuff, right? You have right here the same thing, right? Sales product table, sales product, sales ID, ticket type, comma, ticket type, comma, quantity, price, total, quantity, price, comma, total. After that values, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You have right here 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You have right 5. Okay. Right. After that, what I am going to do is here. You have right here right PST, PS1, PS2. This one PS2. Second prepare statement object. You have get it here because I have added 2 various queries here, right? So that we have to create 2 prepare statement. So PS2 equal same connection dot prepare statement, sorry, connection equal dot prepare statement. Here we have tried 2 things. Prepare statement, we have tried this query 1, control C copy, this control V paste query 1. So that. Okay, we have to check the query and connection. After that, what I am going to do is here, we have right here is we have created a string variable. So string this one ticket type equal right like this. After that, price int price int price. After that, int total. After that, in total, or the int quantity. Right. These are the value we are going to store in the table. So if you have tried a for loop for int I equals 0, I less than j table 1 dot get row count I plus plus. Here we have to write here is this one. First one we have to get the values. This one. This one you have to get it. Ticket type. Ticket type you have to write here is string. This one control C copy, control V to paste it equal. You have to write here is first string. You have to write j table 1 dot get value at. Here you have to write first get value at first one. After the same thing, control C to copy, control V to paste here. Second one should be total price. Second one should be price. Get it here price. This one should be in. This one should be 2. Third one should be control C copy, control this one total quantity 3. Same thing, control C copy, control V to paste here. This one total 4. It's added in your database 4. After that, what I am going to see or write here is ps2 dot set int first int. First we have write is first one the last inside ID. This one. Last one, control C copy, control V paste here. Second one should be same thing, control C copy, control V paste. Second one should be ticket type, control C copy, control V paste here. Third one should be ticket. This one should be set string me. This is you have to write as string. Third one should be same thing, control C copy, control V paste here. This one should be price, control C copy, control V price. Fourth one should be quantity, control C copy, control V. Fifth one should be this one, total, control C copy, control V paste total. Right. That's the thing you have to write. You have to write here is ps2 dot execute update, that's the thing here, right? Finally we have to after add the records, we have to pass a message j option pan dot show message dialog. You have to write this here we have to write pass a message, yes, here as record added, you have to write sales completed, right? Now let's check whether it's working fine or not. You have to check them, everything perfect, ticket type, everything perfect. This one go first class inside ID, sales as sales ID, second one should be ticket type, price, sorry, the price should be, this one should be, we have to change it, okay? This quantity should be 3, price should be 4. Here this data type like this, okay? Quantity, price, after that total, right? Paste to execute, right? That's the thing. Now let's check whether it's working fine or not. So let's run, select this one, right? Here we have to call this function, we didn't call it. After done the things, Ctrl C to copy this function, you have to paste it here, this button. Just double click on this button, paste it here. We have to do another stuff is we forgot it. We have to calculate the balance. So int sub equal, you have to write txt sub dot get text. You have to calculate the balance, right? After that you have to get the another variable pay. So you have to write here this one here. So we have to convert. So integer dot parsint. You have to write here is int pay equal integer dot parsint, here we have to write txt pay dot get text. Here we have to write int bal, you have to get the variable bal equal pay minus sub, display the total at which text box txt bal dot set text balance. So we have to write balance text box here. Okay, now here we have to write string dot value of, we have to pass it like this, right? Perfect. Okay, now let's check. Click on this one, okay, welcome, click that button, it's added successfully. You pay 1000, click print no invoice. What's the problem? It's coming successfully, there will be the problem, movie ticket. Click on this one, the problem is here. What was the problem is, here not one, the J table position starting point from 0 position, the sheet type is 0, this means 1, 2, 3, right? So here 0 position mean ticket type, so that we have 0. This one should be 1. 1 mean price, 2 mean quantity, 3rd mean total. So we have entered wrongly, that's why the problem will be coming, right? Now let's check, right? That's the only thing you have to do. Now let's check. What do you see? 2, balcony 1, click advance added, pay, click print invoice, sales completed, click OK. Now let's go here, you have to check movie ticket, sales, product, here we have to write sales product, you have to check here, right? It's working perfectly, right? Now what I am going to do is here, I am going to go to the movie ticket, this one, I am going to go to create the Jasper report part, right? Jasper report I am going to create here. Okay. Now what I am going to do is select the source package here, right? So source package. So I am going to create the Jasper report. Right click. This package, movie ticket package. We have to create. Select this, not source package. Movie ticket. This package. Right click. We have to write new. we have right here is a Jasper Report wizard, right. Okay, first you have to get the report type here, right. You have to select this one, defaultly one you have to select this one, its default one is A4, you have to select this one. We have to arrange them later on as a terminal printer. So next, here we have to establish the database connection, select this one, click on this one, database connection, JDBC connection, select this one. Next, you have to give the name is here as movie ticket. Here we have to provide the JDBC driver, proper driver, MySQL this driver. After the database name is here, you have to give here as movie ticket. This is the name, right? You have to copy this one. Copy. Paste it. Control V to paste it. Movie ticket. Root is a username. Test. It's working successfully. Save. After that, you have to design the query. First, you have to get this one, sales product. Double click on this and get it this one. Click OK. Next. All, select all. Next. Finish it. Right. Now your receipt is created successfully here. Jasper report. Now first select this here. Page format. You have to select, defaultly come as A4. You have to change it as a terminal. So you have to make the type as millimeter. Here you have to write here as 80. Here 230. Now here click OK. Okay, this is the terminal printer size. You have to, this is zoom tool, you have to zoom it and you have to do the first title. What I am going to do is here, go to the palette, drag one static text, drag here. This one double click on this one. Here this one you have to give the name as movie ticket. Right. You can put the movie theater name. I just put as movie ticket, right? Text. You can, here we have to with bold, you have to change the, you have to increase the size as 12. Simple. You can change the font as you wish here, right? You have to put it like movie ticket. After that you have to second one should be this one, right? This is a page header. We no needed this page header. We no needed this page column header. We needed, right? So details, right? Now what I am going to do is after that we have to go to the report inspector, fields. First you have to get the field is ticket type. This one we needed. Drag here, right? This one you have to drag here. You have to get it here. This one you have to size. This one should be your size US 7. Right, 7 you have to write. Like you have to get the help of keyboard left, right, up, down, arrow key and arrange the things, right, like this. Second one should be this one, quantity price. You have to get it here. Remove it. This one should be price. We have to get it here. This one also 7 percent key. We have to alignment. After that, quantity. Right. After that, total. Select this one, 7%. Right. First, what I am going to do is here, I am going to write the heading. So write the static text. This one should be, first one should be ticket type. You have to change this 8. Right. You have to decrease size. this one you have to make it simple. Column you have to Control Z to undo it if there is any mistake, right? So like this column header, right? Okay. Here second one should be the same thing. Control C to copy, Control V to get the another copy, and here you have to drag above here. Simply your second one should be the price. You have to like this. Third one, Control C to copy, Control V to paste here. Third one should be the quantity. Same thing. Get the copy, Control C to copy, Control V to paste here. Third one should be the total. Right. This is the thing we have to do. Right. Now what I am going to select this one, you have to bold it. This one also you have to get the bold it. This one bold it. This one also bold it. Right, perfect. Right. After that what I am going to do is here, we have to set the thing as this line. You get the line to arrange them simply. Sorry. Right, you have to get the line like this. Right. Okay. You have to get the line. If you want to change the line, you have to change the line style. You just select the line, go to the properties, you have the pen, you have to simply change like this. Perfect. Right. After that we have to do the another stuff is we have to merge another table. So go to the this one, this table here. We have to query designer. This one. Now I am going to get the sales table as well. Sales table, right? Double click on this, you get the sales table here, right? Subtotal pay balance, right? Click OK. Now you have to make the join two tables, sales table and sales product table. So how to join is you have to get it here. Backspace 2. You have to spaces. You have to remove it. Get this one in here. But simply backspace to remove this comma. Here we have right here is inner join. You have right inner join. Inner. It every time it asks the password. So here, if you make single changes also, you have write like this join, inner join. We need a space between two things. Right. After that, out join. You have write out join. So you have write here one. Right, out join one keyword. You have to put one keyword. Here you have to write sales product table sales ID. Control C to copy, Control V to paste here. Equal here sales table ID. Control C to copy, Control V to paste. This stuff you have to join. Right. So here after that you have to write where. You have to write where your sales ID. So here this one. Control C to copy, Control V to paste. Sales ID equal here we have to write here is new parameter. You have to write here is IN below. Right, you have to write this. This is the things here, right? IN, this is invoice number, IN below, right? You have to get this in invoice number, you have to drag here, right? That's the thing you have to write. Invoice number coming from the ticket booking, right? So here click OK. This is the thing you have to write. So here after that you have to go to the this query here, query designer. You can check here the primary key and foreign key relationship successfully. Here red line is there. It successfully made the connection. Okay, perfect. Now let's close it. Okay, now let's go to the repair inspector. Here extra lines are coming. Subtotal, balance all stuff. So select this one, report. We have to add another group. So add group. You have to write this one as a sales group. You have to write this one, following expression with sales side, right? You have to click next. Group by the following expression, right? Next. No header, only footer only available. Right here, this one should be sales, right? Sales part. Here we have to drag these two things. Subtotal. This one should be 8. We have to write 8. Simply you have to increase the size of the font. 8. So you have to do like this. mouse up arrow, left and right arrow to adjust like this. Simple. After the second one, pay. After that, third one, balance. Track here, balance. Here we have to put it here. Right. Now what I am going to do is drag the text, static text here, subtotal, here we have to write this one as a 7, subtotal with bold. Control C to copy, Control V to paste here. Get the another copy. This one should be, we have to write as a subtotal. Second one should be payment. This one should be the payment. Third one should be Control C to copy, Control V to paste. This one should be subtotal, payment, balance. This one should be the balance, right? This one should be the balance, right? So you have to arrange to look like this. Balance. This one should be balance. Right, perfect. Now let's check whether it's working fine or not. Now the ID should be, we have sales ID 5, we have to put it here, right? So preview, if you click preview, it asks for the sales ID. Here we have to write invoice ID at 5. Now here the appropriate result should be displayed here. Here result should be displayed here. Perfect, right? Now we have to write the invoice number as well here, right? So we have to the sales ID. So here this is invoice number, this is sales ID. This one you have to input. This one should be the invoice number. We have to write the, this one should be the 8. You have to write here is a, here also you have to click the bold, with bold, invoice number you have to bold it. You have to write here is invoice number, you have to write like this, right. Now here we have to static text, you have to write here is a invoice number, you have to write invoice number. You have to write here is invoice number, you have to get it like this. You have to write, get it the invoice number like this, you have to write like this, right. You have to get it like this, simply you have to get it like this. Perfect, right. Now what I am going to do is here, after that we have to, this code I am going to generate into the once you book the ticket, click print invoice, it's generate this nice preview look like this. So how to generate this? Go here, double click on here. So you go to the function, sales function. After display sales completed message, you have to generate the report itself. So how to generate this? You have to write hash map. Here you have to write a variable a equal. You have to write new hash map, new hash map. Here we have to write a dot put. So here we have to implement the namespace, right. Here we have to write a dot put. Here we have to write the invoice invo. This I gave here, this one invo. This is the parameter, you have to pass it here, right. This parameter here, this one, you have to pass it here, right. So after that what I am going to do is here, this parameter means we have to pass in the last inside ID, means sales ID. This last inside ID. Control C, copy, Control V. What is the ID is coming? It's passing this parameter along the record should be. After that, we have to view the Jasper report. We have to download the Jasper report jar files. I forgot to add it in the libraries before. So here what I am going to go to the Google, you have to type Jasper Report jar download. If you type this one, it goes to the relevant site for download here. These are the links. So you have to go for the links for this one. I recommend this. Download Jasper Report jar 6.0 with all dependencies. If you click on this one, it goes to the website for downloaded. This is the button, click and download it. If you click, all the library should be downloaded. I no need to download. I already downloaded and put into the E drive. Here this one. After downloaded, it's come as a zip file. If you extract it, it is come as a normal folder, look like this, jar files. Here this one. This all the libraries should download it, right? Download and after downloaded, you have to import it into your project libraries. This is a library folder. Select this library folder, add jar folder. So here go to the E drive jar files. You have to search jar files. Select all the libraries. Select here or on the shift key down and select all the jar files. Click open. Right, it's open successfully. After done this, you have to clean and build project. Right. Now all the jar files should be added here, right? After that only you will be able to add the Jasper design classes. So here write Jasper design equal J design equal, you have to write JRX ML loader dot load. You have to write the load. Now here we have to specify the path of the jar file, your Jasper report. So this one, Jasper report XML, right click, your path you have to find, properties, simple, it's here, all file, this is the path, click on this one, this is path, Ctrl C copy, you have to Ctrl V to paste inside this here, right, that's the thing you have to do, very simple, right. After that you have to import the namespace, this one, you have to import this one, right, you have to edit as this, right, so surrounded with the try catch, you have to write like this, okay, again you have to import this one as well, right, okay, you have to add both, right, catch and try and catch is must, because when you get the error, it is the exception will be thrown, right. After that what I am going to do is here, Jasper report, after that Jasper report equal J report equal Jasper compile manager dot compile report. Here you have to write throw this one J design, Ctrl C to copy, Ctrl V to paste, J design here. That's the thing you have to write. Here also you have to write edit this one, Jasper report. This one also we added, right. After that what I am going to do is here, we have to write Jasper print. So Jasper print, you have to write J print equal, you have to write Jasper fill manager dot, you have to write fill report. Here you have to give this one J report, Ctrl C to copy, Ctrl V to paste here. After that you have to write this here, this one, this object you have to give here. After that comma, you have to write the database connection con. It's a database connection, this is a connection, this connection object con, right. You have to put these three parameters, right. That's the thing you have to write. Jasper print also you have to add the namespace, import it here, right. After that you have to write here is Jasper viewer. You have to view the report, Jasper viewer, you have to write Jasper viewer dot view report dot view report. Here we have to write this J print, Ctrl C to copy, Ctrl V to paste here. That's the thing we have to do, right. Now let's check whether it's working fine or not, right. Now let's check. Click 2 tickets, balcony 1 ticket, click add button, here pay the amount, click print invoice, sales completed. After completed, you can check, you can see the report generated. Now here the error should be there, one error should be there here, because this is not an error. You have to remove this language GROVY, right? Control C, this language you have to remove. So go to the report XML page, this XML page, you have to remove here at the top, there will be the language here, this language. This is not supported, that's a problem. We have to select this one, backspace to remove, right? That's the thing you have to do. That's not an error. Now let's check. One, these 2 tickets, click add button, you have to pay the bill, payment, click print invoice, sales completed. Now you can check the report here, here, invoice number, so all things should be successfully displayed here. It's a simple report, right? I hope you guys you understood the things well. If you have any doubt on this, you can ask me anytime. If you like my channel, please subscribe me, like me. Thank you for watching.